Welcome. If you don't want to miss any breaking news or the latest scores from your favorite teams, this guide will walk you through how to turn on news and sports notifications on the X app for PC. The newest update has made it easier than ever to stay in the loop, so let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so the settings can be saved properly. Once you're on your home page, take a look at the menu on the left side of the screen. You'll see options like Home, Explore, and Messages, but what you're looking for is Notifications. Click on it. Now, in the Notifications section, look for the Settings option. This is where you can customize exactly what kinds of alerts you want to get. Once you're inside Settings, click on Preferences. Here, you'll find different ways to control how X keeps you updated. Next, select Push Notifications. Under this section, there's a category called From X. This is where the most important part happens. You'll see various types of updates you can choose from. Find news and sports on the list and make sure both boxes are checked. By turning these on, you'll start receiving alerts for trending news, major world events, and live sports updates directly through your notifications. After you've checked those boxes, your settings will automatically save. You can close the tab and continue using X as usual. From now on, you'll be among the first to know when something big happens, whether it's a championship result, a record-breaking play, or a major headline trending across the platform. It only takes a few clicks, but it keeps you connected to the moments that matter most. Open the X app, follow these simple steps, and enjoy staying updated on the latest in news and sports anytime you're online. Thanks for watching.